Right, guys, I'm going to give you a Helium 10 discount code today. You can get 10% off for life or 20% off for 6 months. Now, if you don't know what Helium 10 is, well, you probably do because you're looking for this coupon code. It is the best by far Amazon software. It covers things like PPC, keywords, product research, and everything like that. Now, there's 3 plans of it. You've got the starter, the platinum, and the diamond plan. Okay, and we're going to talk about that in just a minute. But if you want to get the first discount code, you type in Hayden 10 on the checkout page in Helium 10, and as you can see there, it's going to give you 10% off all plans. Or if you type in Hayden 6M20, you're going to get 20% off the plans there. So that's up to you. Now, in terms of what plan I would pick, I would definitely go for the platinum, because if you go for the starter, you're mainly just going to get the X-ray, okay, which is fantastic. But if you want Cerebro and black box and everything like that included, you're going to need to do that. You're going to need to get the middle plan. And yeah, there we go, guys. So the 20% off for 6 months. You can copy that code or hit the link below and just go straight through to this page here. I'll see you in the next video.